Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Apptivo to QuickBooks in 2024. Of course, integrating these two powerful tools or platforms can streamline your business processes, of course, and improve also efficiency. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open both platforms. So go and open whatever browser you have. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, of course, just go to the URL section, open your Apptivo as an example. So go and type apptivo.com and go and open a new tab, and you'll have to do the same with QuickBooks. So type quickbooks.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will be taken to the home screen or main screen of both. So here, of course, you can go to global sites or US. For me, I'll just go to global. And make sure to log in into your account if you have an account in both. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create a new one. So for Apptivo, as you can see, you'll find the login option at the top right corner. You can simply log in to your account right away. If you don't have one, you can simply click on create an account, and you can create or even log in your account using Office, PayPal, Shiro, Apple, or Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts. For me here, I'll just use Google. And yeah, I should be logged in into my account right away. So as you can see, it loaded in, and yeah, as you can see, I'm logged in. The same only for QuickBooks, so just have to go here and click on login. Make sure to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, just go and create a new one. As simple as that. As you can see, you'll find the create an account option here. For me, I'll just go here and click on sign in because I already created an account before. Then I'll just go here and click on continue. Once I do so, I'll just go here and click, of course, skip for now. I don't want to verify my number. Of course, for you, make sure to have the number verified for more security in case you lost, like maybe the password, you got hacked or something like that. I don't know. Everything can happen. So this should take us, as an example, to the home screen again. And yeah, of course, let's see if it's working for you. Of course, here you can simply just answer those questions. I don't know why they treat me like it's my first time here, but okay, I'm just going to answer those questions. Why not? So okay, can I click next? I'm not sure. Example, not. So what's your role? Example, I don't know. Other, how many employees do you have? Of course, just the owner or just me, as example. And yeah, I'll just. Here, of course, you can simply personalize your invoice and do stuff. So, for example, you can click on do this and you'll be able to go through it. So you can click on skip for now if you don't want to do it as an example. And here, of course, you can get a better plan. If you want, if you want, then you'll get, of course, for free for 30 days. Then you'll have to pay $80 per month plus 8 per employee. For me, I'll just go no, not right now. Click on skip. And no, I don't want to do any of that. Then click Johnson's next, and skip for now. I don't want to answer those questions and I should be good to go. So basically, to connect Apptivo to QuickBooks, yeah, I'll just go here and click on let's go. We'll need, of course, to access the integration page. Once you logged in, of course, into your QuickBooks as example, you'll find this list panel right here. Yes, thank you. I don't want to. So just go to this list panel, and as you can see, you'll find here apps. All you need to do, just go and hover that apps and then click on find apps. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So all you need to do is simply just look for Apptivo. Hit the enter button. As you can see, we didn't find any apps. So there's no Apptivo in here. What should we do? So you'll have, as an example, if you go to Apptivo as an example, and you find here notes, etc. So there's nothing to connect with as an example. What about more? What can I, as example, connect to another thing as example? So here, if I click on customize my apps as example or something like that, is there any apps that I can connect to or something like that? So let's just check in here. Yeah, App Store. Let's just check if there's QuickBooks in here. Why not? So here, of course, you'll have, of course, to go and look for QuickBooks if it exists in here. Of course, you can look on all those options. And if you keep looking as example, here, let me just go through it for you. So as you can see, for projects management, nothing here, collaboration, nothing here, technology, nothing here. So there's no QuickBooks in here. What should you do to connect to QuickBooks? Basically, of course, that means, first of all, there's no direct connection between QuickBooks and Apptivo. To connect it, of course, you can check some third party tool like I guess there's automate.io. So let me just look all of them. So automate.io. There is also Zapier, which is the one. This is the one that I use a lot. So okay, I'll just type here .automate. Okay, no need to add io in case maybe I'm writing wrong or something like that. So just click on not now. And yeah, it should be this. Okay, join Notion. So anyway, as example, normally the one that I use is Zapier. This app will let you like not just connect two apps together or two platforms or two tools together. It will let you also automate some stuff between it. But you will need, of course, to find both QuickBooks and Apptivo in here. If you didn't find it, then you'll not be able to do it. So as an example, we'll just go to this list panel, click on apps, and I'll have to look for both QuickBooks and Apptivo. So I'll start here with QuickBooks. As an example, so there's QuickBooks in here. As an example, for me, it's already connected, but for you, you'll have just to click here on connect. And basically, you'll have to choose production, not sandbox. Sandbox just for a demo or something like that. You're trying stuff, of course. Once you just choose like production, as you can see, the connection should be established right away. For me, I already have a connection, so I'm not going to do it. You'll have to do the same and look for Apptivo. So as an example, Apptivo in here. And yeah, as you can see, no match connections. So what should you do in this case? Basically, all you can do is not upgrade the plan, sorry. You'll have to contact the support and ask them to add the app. If they find the app useful and a lot of people want it, as an example, they will add it for sure within, I don't know how much like it will take them, but they will add it for sure if they find it like useful. After that, of course, you'll be able to start establishing connection between them. You can simply just go to this list panel, click on create, then zapped, and use, of course, or create here, as example, then zapped. And of course, you'll be taken to this page and you can type to this AI tool whatever you want to do with this connection or whatever you want to automate. So an example here, when I add a reaction Slack, create a card in Trello. You can do something like that. As an example, when I receive something on or when it's an appointment on Apptivo, do something on QuickBooks. I don't know, like you can do whatever you want. And you can, of course, automate it. You can automate a lot of stuff. You can create unlimited zaps. As you can see, I'll have a lot. And yeah, that's going to be basically it, because there is no direct connection between like QuickBooks and Apptivo. Of course, you can, as an example, connect them both, but if you don't have like just the free plan, you'll need basically an ultimate plan, and of course a QuickBooks account. As an example, if we just type, there's an article about, so as an example, connect like Apptivo to QuickBooks. I'll not be able to show you because I'm not on the free plan. As you can see, you find even an article about it. And here they'll show you exactly how to do it. For example, the benefits of it with Apptivo QuickBooks integration, you can do what, and requirements and everything. And as you can see how to connect it, you'll find a user guide in here. But make sure that you have the ultimate plan. Without the ultimate plan, you'll not be able to get it. So make sure to get that plan first. And of course, after that, you can simply just click on this user guide in here and follow this settings right here as example. So as example, they'll tell you to create a calendar, then click on more settings, ledger calendar, click on create as example, and they'll show you exactly how to connect to QuickBooks specifically. So go to accounting period, and yeah, just follow this step-by-step guide. I don't know why it didn't load. Maybe I'll just have to reload the page or something like that. But anyway, just follow all of this and you should be connected, of course, to your QuickBooks right away. But as we said, this will require an ultimate plan on Apptivo, so make sure you have it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.